Okay, plus, good morning. Okay, here's my co-teacher. Okay, our students, and it's Monday, September 27, 2021. And every Monday, we're going to withdraw 20,000. Yay! Okay, and right now, okay, withdraw time at the same time, duty time, pero, no, hindi magpapapigil. So, congrats sa lahat na magwi-withdraw. I'm going to record my withdrawals later, my transaction. So, thank you and see you later. Mwah! Love lots! Okay, we're going to withdraw our 20,000 right now. So, duty kami mga deputy teachers. So, here's my co-teachers. Hi, Mom!
Hi, good morning!
Okay, hello. Good morning! Hello. And our beauty queen, look at... Tada!
Hi, good morning!
Diba? So, later papakita ko sa inyo yung principal namin, yung supportive principal namin. Goodbye! Hello, team! Okay, right now, we're going to withdraw 20,000. So, check. First, you have to check kung magkano yung laman ng BPI mo, ng bank mo, or ng tawag dito, ng GCash mo. So, check natin. Okay, sa account ko, I have 37,016.22 centavos. So, we're going to withdraw 20,000. Okay, ganito yung step. Punta kayo sa account ninyo. Okay, example, ang account ko may laman na 181,077.07. So, punta tayo sa taas, may withdraw. Okay, step again, withdraw. Ilalagay mo yung amount kung magkano yung gusto mo i-withdraw. Okay, we have 10,000 maximum. So, 2 beses tayo mag-withdraw. 10,000, then select account. Sa BPI ko siya ilalagay. BPI tayo punta. Pagkatapos, punta tayo sa confirm. Okay, ano yung... Oh, basta, i-cut lang ito. Ano yung password ko? So, automatic, nabawas na siya sa account ko. 171,000 na lang. Since 20,000 ang i-withdraw mo, again, balik ka sa withdraw. Another 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 10,000. Then, select account. Saan mo ilalagay? BPI ba? Or sa GCash? So, ilalagay ko siya sa BPI ko. So, then, another one, confirm again. Then, password. Okay, ganun lang. So, kung last time, naghintay ako ng 11 hours sa 10,000 ko. So, let's see kung ilang oras ang hihintayin ko ngayon. Ha? Okay, so, balikan na natin mamaya. So, ang current balance ko is 161,095. Okay. Show ko lang yung video later. Goodbye. God bless. Hello, everyone. The long wait is over and it's really worth it, no? Ang worth it maghintay sa may hihintayin. So, the last time we withdraw, my balance is 37,000. But since it's been 24 hours na naghintay ako, so 24 hours na yan, nag-withdraw ako, beshi, kasi nangangailangan ng pera. So, let's have this one, 37,016 pesos, yun siya. So, ito yung transaction ko sa 24 hours. Okay, so, nag-withdraw ako nag-transfer ako ng 27,000. And, after ko nag-transfer, after 24 hours, ito na, pumasok na si A plus na sweldo. So, 20,000 minus the 18% tax from the government, ang net pay is 16,400. So, ang naiwan na lang is 16,000 sa akin. It's because nag-withdraw ulit ako ng another 10,000. No? So, ito na. Ang balance ko na lang is 17,000, oh, mali. 177,260. So, ang bilis tumubo, no? It's because yan yung advantage ng pagiging VIP member. So, congratulations sa lahat and thank you for giving me time sa 3 days vacation ko. I love you all. Mwah! Bye-bye!